Another camping season has begun. It's a beautiful day. I'll show you all my beautiful view. My beautiful family. Beautiful. First camping trip of the season. How much more to do? Our campsites right where my family's headed, and we have the pretty girl Sassy. Are we camping? Yeah. There's a little one, the little guy and the big guy. Nice evening fire. Fixing to do some hot dogs with a nice view. Beautiful. And then there's that.
Bro!
Today's another day. Look how beautiful this is. Watching my boy fish. We're up over there. I made some new friends. Some out of state. That's from out of state. Some that just live a couple towns over. Very good people. Give us a good swing, Clayton. Show us what you got. There you go. That's actually a pretty good one.
Yeah. I didn't want to try because it hurt my eczema.
You're fine. So beautiful.
It is over there. The moon and stuff is more beautiful.
Oh yeah, the moon. There it is. So gorgeous. Can't wait till we can do this full time in the next couple of years.
I know. Like once we
So beautiful.
once we do full time, we're gonna have to make He's splashing me. Okay, that's enough. I just almost fell in.
Clayton's already in.
No, I meant like fell on backwards.
Is that fun?